In an electric vehicle, driver comfort features linked to cabin temperature are comparable to those in a combustion engine vehicle, but consume energy from the batteries. It is therefore important to optimize their use to limit their impact on the vehicle's range. In winter, it is advisable to preheat the cab with the vehicle plugged in before starting the mission. This preheating can be programmed very simply on the dashboard display. All you have to do is enter the day and time you want to start preheating, as well as the duration. As a general rule, 20 to 30 minutes of preheating is sufficient, although this does of course depend on the outside temperature. This means that drivers start their journey in a cab that is at the right temperature, without any impact on battery life. When driving, the ideal position for maintaining a good level of comfort and temperature in the cab while preserving the range is in the yellow zone. If you turn the knob to the right, in the orange zone, the heating power will be higher, but with greater consumption. If you turn the knob all the way to the right, in the red zone, be aware, maximum power should be reserved for occasional use. In summer, place the temperature knob at the beginning of the blue zone. Before starting a mission, and if the vehicle is plugged in, it is advisable to refresh the cabin. This is carried out by the cabin air blower, which is programmed on the dashboard display. All you have to do is indicate the day and time you want to start, as well as the duration. This means you can start your journey in a temperate cab, preserving the autonomy of your batteries. Then, while driving, you can activate the vehicle's air conditioning using the switch on the control panel. Whatever the weather, your optimized comfort is a guarantee of safety. Enjoy the drive with your electric vehicle.